Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix error code 0XFFF0BE2C Rainbow Six Siege 2025. So many of them facing this problem and want the perfect solution. So let me give you some possible solution. Like, if your system does not meet the requirements, this will most likely be a cause for an performance issue you may be experiencing. If your system does not meet the minimum requirements for the game, it may be unable to provide additional support. So you can update your Windows. Like, updating your operating system will also update network drivers that may require to successfully connect to the wider network. And after that, you have to run the game with administration rights. Like, will ensure that you have full read and write privileges, which can help with issues relating to crashes and freezes. And you have to verify game files if it's possible that there may be corrupted or missing files, stopping the game from updating or running, which may be contributing to crashes or performance issues. And you can update your graphics card drivers. To find out what graphics card drivers you currently have, you have to select the start button on your taskbar, type run into the search bar and open the run application and enter dxdiag, press enter. When the results show, select the display tab to view your graphics drivers. And you can also disable background applications. Sometimes the background applications causes trouble in your gameplay. So, and if you can also check for your internet connection and see if it's working fine, and then you can restart your PC or the device and then restart the game again, and it might fix the issue. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.